reducing an image by 99% file size. You don't believe me. That's fine. I'll prove it to you. What I have here is a 3840 by 2160 pixel image. And that's what it is. If I do 100%, yes, 4K image. Okay. And it's a PNG, which is one of the most disgustingly huge file sizes you can use. Resolution is great, but disgustingly huge. So let's fix that. And how are we going to fix that? How are we going to make it smaller? Well, we are going to use VIPs, which you can get at libvips.org. And if you're using Linux, like a smart person, you can get it from the Synaptic Package Manager, or Package Manager, whatever you're using, libvips-tools. Command line stuff. Oh my god! Yep, we're going there. So, let's try just some different formats. We'll do a JPEG at the existing resolution. VIPs, copy, file name, image.jpg. Easy. Okay, so we went from 4.3 megabyte to 194.2. Well, that's pretty nice. And this is still 3840 2160. Still looks pretty good. Okay. But let's try another format. Instead of JPEG, we'll do WebP. Ooh, now we're down to 46.3K. Ooh, wrong one. Still 3840 by 2160. Oh yeah. You could see a little bit of smudging and fudging, but not too bad. Yeah, you can see it over here a little bit. Well, wait. Just wait. Keep your pants on. Now let's try AVIF. Takes the longest to process, but it's worth it. 13.1K from 4.3 meg. And yes, 3840 2160. Also, in the way this one processes, not as smudgy. You think we're done yet? Oh, no, we're not done yet. We haven't even messed with quality settings yet, or resizing. So we'll do the quality thing first. So again, do the JPEG. VIPs, copy, image JPG, but this time, left bracket, capital Q equals 50. Okay, see it right now is 194, and now 166. Still pretty good, still pretty good. And if we take a look at it, again, still same resolution, 3840 2160. Alright. And yeah, we're seeing some smudgy fudgy, but we decreased the overall quality of it, and still looks alright. Still looks alright. Same thing, WebP. We are currently at 46.3. How about now? 39.4. Okay, not too much of a drop. Not too much of a drop. Looks slightly better. Slightly. Not too bad. Still 3840 2160. And now, AVIF. 13.1. What are we going to see? Nope, didn't change the file size at all. Still 13.1K though. You think we're done? No, 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 no! We're going to do one better. Now we're going to resize. So VIPs instead of copy thumbnail. And what we will do is the image plus the quality reduction. And the last thing is 1000. Now what this will do is that it will resize the image from its largest side. So if it is, in this instance, it will size the 380. I'll just show you. Okay, so we have image.jpg first, and we are currently at 166. How about now? 19.4. Ooh, nice. Now the image is smaller, 1000 by 563. What it did is it took, this was the larger number, the horizontal number, so it took the larger of the one and it set that one to 1000, and then it kept the aspect ratio for the vertical number, the Y, I guess the X and the Y. Not exactly sure on the term. You know what I'm saying. Are you an image nerd? Well, if you are, go ahead and comment. You can correct me. I don't care. So 1000 by 563, and we went from that 166, was it? That 19.4. And this is perfect for forums. So if you want to post, or social media. So if you want to post this on Twitter or post it on your favorite forum, whatever. Did I call it Twitter anymore? I don't use it. I don't. Facebook. They still call Facebook, which is good. So anyway, yeah, great. Okay. But wait, we got the WebP to do next. WebP. Okay, so we are currently at 39.4K. What are we going to do now? 7. Ooh, nice. Itty bitty teeny tiny. That now for most people that's perfect, right? Okay, but what are we gonna do when we go AVIF? Okay, 13.1. Do me proud. 4.6. What is the percentage for that? Okay, let's do LSL. Alright, so we went, this was the original size. The PNG at full 4K res, we went from 4463111 bytes. Where are you, other window? Where did you go? Ah, there we go. So that's our starting point. And we went down to 4733, which is a 99. Oh, 99.89% file size reduction. Oh, good Lord, that's awesome. LibVips, you can do it. Now, I suppose, yeah, you could probably do this with a graphical editor. Why? Why would you do the command line thing? Be a nerd. Come on. Go get your VIPs. Do your command line stuff, and then you can go from giant chonky files to itty-bitty files. And even this itty-bitty still looks decent for forums and social media. I mean, come on. Everyone views everything in 1000 anyway. And even if you stay, okay, let's just say you stayed with the, I won't even do the quality reduction. I won't even do the resize on that. So we'll just do a copy from PNG to AVIF. You know what? Even just WebP. People knock on WebP. They do. But, you know, you do this and you go from 4.3 megs to 40, under 50K. I mean, that is the promise of modern image formats right there. Personally, though, AVIF. Oh, AVIF all day. Because even at original resolution, if I just wait a second, I've gone down to 13.1K from 4.3 megs. Awesome. Well, if your forum supports it, the one that you post to, or if your social media supports it, do AVIFs. Oh, God, yes, do AVIFs. But, doing WebP, also good. And, for JPEG, and again, if I do, this is what I'll end on, just native resolution, same, just going from some fat, chunky format over to ancient, crusty JPEG. We're still going from 4.3 to under 200K. That's not perfect, but, still pretty awesome improvement.